Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. Today we're going to carry on with my Christmas series. This year I got a special boy. Today I'm going to share a little gift idea. So this week and next week are dedicated to little gifts that you guys can make for your crafty friends or somebody that you know it's appreciative everything that is handmade, because not everybody likes everything that's handmade. Today I'm going to share with you, and I got it here on my desk, how to make this super cute normal calendar, desk calendar. That's the words I was missing. Little desk calendars. I've done 9 different colors, so they come flat, but also they open like a tent, so they sit on your desk like this. As you can see, it's freezing here. It's very, very cold, and I'm defrosting. I just put the heating on. As you can see, there's a big radiator on my right hand side. And talking about defrosting, I just want to say hello to Mariah Carey and Michael Bublé. They are defrosting as we speak, because what they do, they go in hibernation throughout the year. Normally November they defrost, ready to come out just for Christmas time and their songs. Wink. Okay guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, so let me guide you step by step. So the first thing, when I do this project, I do them in bulk. So I have ordered a pack of this on Amazon. They're 2023. They call it small calendar or some mini calendars. I don't really know. I can't remember. So it's a pack of 9. It's really bizarre because you will sell them as a pack of 10, not a pack of 9. Hey ho, it's a pack of 9. So what I did, I cut 9 squares, which they will be the base of my calendars. Now the reason why I have picked these colors is because I love them. I think it's really nice. It's a really nice palette, although they will be going to 9 different peoples, but also because I want to share with you guys one of the best-selling kit I designed on my website. So it's very, very popular. You guys got really good feedback about it. These colors go really well with the kit. So before I show you the kit, what I want to tell you that you can make, so let me get a page, and let me get this page here. So I'm using an A4 standards sheet. Okay, so it's an international A4, which is 8 by 11, I want to say. It's in centimeters, it's 21 by 29.7. So from one sheet you get, so I like my calendar to be slightly wider because I still want to put this in here. I still want you to see enough of the background, and that is the waist that you get. Okay, and then there is a little square, little rectangular in there. But what you can do, you can make that slimmer, slightly slimmer, and get 2 out of one sheet. But because I like mine slightly thicker, I get 1 and these left over from one sheet. But if you don't want to waste it, I would recommend doing as a 4. So mine is 4.5, but if you do 4 and 4, you get 2. Okay, I'm hoping I explained that nice. So for this project, so this is the other rectangulars. It's again, they fit in there, but I like mine slightly bigger in there. But if you make this for like craft fairs, I would say go for 4, don't go for 4.5, so you get 2. Okay, so what I need you to do, I need you to cut a rectangular piece that measure 4.5, or do 4 guys if you want to get 2, by 9. Okay, and then you score it at 3, 6, 7 and 8. Simple as. And you do it depending how many you need to make. Okay, so it's 3, 6, 7 and 8. What you do, you fold it and banish all the score lines. So what you create is like a tent. Okay, so that's front and back, and then the 2 pieces here will be like this. So we glue that in there, and that will be like a tent. Okay, And then the good things about it, when you're ready to post it, you flatten this down, and then it will stay flat, because I will ship this with my Christmas cards. Okay, so you can make this ahead, put them flat, leave it, and then when you do your craft fair, or if for Christmas or whenever you're gifting them, they're ready to go. Okay, so go ahead, cut them all like I did. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you the kit first. So this beautiful pink, if you don't like pink, this is not the kit for you. It's called Pretty in Pink for a reason. So I'm going to use some of these. So you've got, this is a design for junk journal, because you've got cards, or you can do greetings cards. You've got some embellishment, love this. Then you've got your pockets, your side pockets. You got one where you can make 3D flowers and leaves. Then you got 2 pages of butterflies. Also, if you don't like butterflies, don't buy this kit, because there's butterflies everywhere. So love these 2 pages. And then you got a few backgrounds. So you got one, there is a bit of gold in here, love it, very me. One when I designed the butterfly with a stripy background and some floral. And then this one, which is an entire background. Again, you can split into 2 pages, but also you can cut sections from that as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut little squares. Okay, so each of this square measures, forgot to prep that, so that's 3 by 4.5. So I will probably leave it, I'm gonna do 2.5. Yeah, so we leave half inch by 4. Yeah, so we're going to cut 2 squares, that 2 rectangular pieces that measure 2.5 by 4. Okay, be right back. Okay, so I've gone ahead and made all the 10s. Love these. And this is to show you guys that you can use any cardstock that you have, because this kit has got all these different colors. Okay, so that's the pink, one more pink, and one more green. As you can see, I've just flattened it down. Okay, because look how much space now they take, like next to nothing. So once you get piece of paper, or actually piece of cardstock, we said 9 by 4.5, score it 3, 6, 7, and 8. Vanish your on the score line. Then we're going to put some glue in there. On some of them I actually have used double-sized tape, but then it doesn't really matter what you use, to be fair. The glue will give you that room to move the cardstock around, so in case you don't get it right first time, and then you just simply flatten it down. And then this is 2.5 by 4. Then we're going to put some glue in there as well. Position it in the middle of that. And the last thing we're going to do, guys, we're just going to put the calendars. So these lots here, you've got your barcode on the bottom, which is on the back, sorry, which is the side that we're going to put on the bottom. Okay, so we're just going to put the glue. And then, oh, got glue on my finger now. And then you just position it. Now, you don't have to be in the middle. So if you can go on the left, on the right, depends what sort of paper you want to show. And I'm going to do a few, so I'll show you what I mean. So this is centered. Okay. I just got to press it down. You can do these sort of mini calendars with different versions. I saw some of the were tall one, and it got a little pocket on the front for post-it. You can decorate the back as well, but again, you can put magnets if you want to put on the fridge. So it's totally up to you. I'm gonna leave it like that because I think it's sweet like that. Let me show you what I mean with the paper. Yeah, so on here, the paper. Oh, I put an upside down butterfly. Never mind. Typical me. So I will probably put the calendar on the right corner, top right corner, just in there, because I want to showcase the paper. So it depends what sort of paper you're using. You can position it wherever you fancy to. I'm gonna do another one with you guys, then I'm gonna go. Yeah, this is an interesting one. I'm just gonna do top left corner there. Okay, and this is to show you that you can get 3 different looks, one in the middle, one top right, and one top left. Okay, just want to say, well, before we go, guys, I had a comment on one of my videos recently. It's from Susan. Is about the prices of my kits, that she thought I changed the price overnight. I do not change the prices. So my prices are set in British pound. So I got the prices that are set. If you display the prices based on your currency, because there is an icon on your left hand side says GP or select your currency. So for example, if you select dollars, of course the price of the kit will change overnight, because depends of the values of the currencies. So this is why you guys sometime could see different prices, but my prices are set. I do not change them. It's just if you select a different currency, of course it depends of the exchange rate, that will display a different price every single day. But my price are set at that price in GP British pound. Okay, I just wanted to clarify that. Just put the put a comment on the screen. So I've done these last year as well. It's something that I do every year. If you watch my channel religiously, you'll know that. You can find all these sort of projects that not card making or jack journal into my playlist. I called it craft, and I will put it on the screen as well, so you guys can see any like 3D projects or anything that is not general craft, that is not junk journal or card making related. Okay guys, I hope I gave you some ideas. I will put the link of the Pretty in Pink digital kit linked down below if you guys wish to purchase it. But also guys, you don't need that. You can just do this sort of project with any paper that you like, any cardstock that you fancy, all different colors that you want to do. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, I will appreciate a really big thumbs up. It really helps the channel and the video doing well. Thank you so much for watching guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well.